Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker RIVN or Rivian Automotive Inc. Just looking at the daily chart here, and this thing has pretty much been in a downtrend. It touched a low here of 33.46 recently. Then it had a nice little rally up to about 56.57 and then started to sell off again. Doesn't look like we got buyers to step in at the 50% retracement or the 61.8% after this latest little run here. So to me, it looks like it's going to come down and test around this 35.36 level, somewhere in there. Probably retest this low. So I'd be looking at that area. If I zoom in a little bit more here, come in, I would say around 35.50 or so would be a good point to look at. You know, if the buyers start to step in there and this thing starts to rally up again and it rejects this low here, you know, that would be a good sign. That could be a good long entry signal there. And then if, you know, this thing sells back down to around that 35.50 level and, you know, the sellers are able to crush it below that and close it below that on this time frame, I think that could be a good short entry there. So yeah, I really need to see this thing set a higher low, because as you look at this chart, it's just been making a series of lower lows and lower highs. So we really need the buyers to step in here pretty quickly, start to rally this thing, and let's turn this around, because you can see I also have the 100-day exponential moving average plotted on my chart here, and you can see this thing is trading well below that. And when it dropped below it, this was way back in December. So, you know, this is a good almost 5 months ago when it dipped below that 100-day EMA, and it has not been above it since. So this thing has really been just slowly bleeding out and trekking down. So yeah, I don't really see anything right now that's telling me to go long. You know, again, if it comes down to around this level, 35.50, buyers start to rally it, you know, it could be a little bit of a swing trade opportunity there. May come back up to challenge some of these recent highs here, maybe around $54 or so. And then, you know, if things do kind of turn around, buyers start to pump this and it does get up to around this level, around 54, you know, that would be a key barrier to the upside. If the buyers could push it past that on this daily time frame, close it above that level, that would be a great sign that we could actually make a higher high here and get out of this series of, you know, lower highs and lower lows. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on ticker RIVN or Rivian Automotive Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.